Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonto. Today I'll be showing you guys different methods you can use in gripping the roots of your box braids. So let's just get into it. For today's tutorial, we'll be needing braiding hair, hairbrush, tail comb, scissors, hairband, hair clip, mannequin training head, and a tripod stand. So for the first method, we'll be using the 2 strands method. This method is beginner friendly and very common, but I do not like it because the hair tends to slip after some time. This is because we're just using 2 strands of braiding hair. In the next method, the second method, I'll be showing you guys a trick I use in making it last way longer than this method. So this method is almost the same as the first method, but the only difference is that after this I will be adding a small tiny braiding hair to the natural hair. This will make it last way longer and the braiding hair will not slip off. So for this method, we'll be taking one of the braiding hair and wrap it around the natural hair and the other braiding hair just once. Then you can see that we now have 3 strands that we need to do our box braids. So we start braiding. Also, don't forget to add the tiny piece of braiding hair to the natural hair. This is just to give you the extra security it needs to stay in place. So in this method, instead of using the natural hair as one, we'll be taking small out of it and add it to the braiding hair. This just helps it to stay in place also. So in this method, we'll be splitting the braiding hair into two, then insert our middle finger in between it, then flip it. I'll repeat it again so that you guys can see it very well. So as you can see, we now have 3 parts of the braiding hair, but we'll be sharing the natural hair just into 2. So we'll be using our index finger to insert it in between the natural hair, thereby dividing it. So we are only adding it to the 2 smaller braiding hair. So now we can see it. We have 3 braiding hair now. We have 3 strands now. 1, this is the second, and here is the third. Then we start braiding. So for this method, the natural hair will be split into 3. The braiding hair also will be split into 3. So we'll be doing the crossing method this time around. So you make sure that the 3 is equal. Then I'll be taking 2 parts, then cross it. You really do not have to do this, but if you're still a beginner, then you can do it this way so that you can get the hang of it. So you insert your middle finger in between the bigger braiding hair, then flip the smaller one around your fingers. So watch me do it again. So this time around, we'll be placing each strand of braiding hair on each strand of natural hair. So each braiding hair gets 1 natural hair, right? So we start braiding again. So guys, which of these methods do you prefer? Which one will you be trying out? Let me know in the comment section. Please and please and please do not forget to comment, share and like this video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see more of this. Bye, see you next time.